Hello friends, so today we'll again talk about how to write notes for a programming language. So I'm going to take an example of Java, the basic definition of object oriented programming I have written down here. What is object, what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, what is bytecode, what is JVM, Java Virtual Machine, what is applet, what is polymorphism, right? What is interface, what is object code, what is IDE, what is API, and Java runtime environment JRE. So you can see here the notes is being written here so that it becomes very easy for anyone to remember it, right? So if you see object has specific characteristic. These are the variable, these are the methods, so like that. Encapsulation is binding and wrapping. It has the data methods. Bytecode is machine language instruction set. Java virtual machine is set of Java program which consists of interpreter and compiler. Source, which converts your source code, right? Source code into bytecode. So like this you can see the complete set of nodes have been created. Next is again some definition I have put over here. You can also write in your own language, like what is typecasting, writing a data type before a value or like that, what is suffix, what is type compatibility, what is conversion type, what is object factory, what is like immutable, all this compound statement like that. Then the definition on the type promotion, Unicode, type of comments are your single line, multi-line, documentation comments. What is the token? Token is an smallest individual unit is a program. So it consists of your keywords, your identifiers, literals, punctuations, operators, and all these things. Escape sequence, how it is being done, and ASCII code. So it is like basic concepts of object oriented programming is being written over here. Okay, variable declaration, what is difference between these two, right? So see this, so you can also write your program like this, such a big chart, so that it becomes very easier for anyone to remember it. What are the programming construct, like sequence, selection, iteration, jump, comparison, if and other, like if and switch, right? And what is fall through, name of the element, control loop, all these things are being covered as a part of this handwritten notes. Then the difference in for, while and do while, labeled break and continue. So this is the program. What is the counter, what is flag, right? What is counter, what is flag, control variable, call by value, call by reference, right? Then you have pure and impure function, overloading is there. What is definition of overloading? One of the concept in is object oriented programming. Then we have constructor, how constructor is being defined. Then we have type of parameterized constructor, also how this can be used in Java, that is also being mentioned over here. Then next is the basic concept of creating a temporary instance destructor. When it runs, it will remove the object and memory. Then difference between composite and primitive data type, null references. Then we have a definition of access verifier, which is your public, private, protected, and package friendly default, and under what categories all these things has to be used. Then static variable, and methods, stream, type of errors like syntax, logical, runtime, and exception. Those definitions having mentioned. The program on exception handling is being written over here, right? Then use of throw, use of finally, then the list of predefined exceptions in Java like array index, out of bound exception, and like that. And these are used, predefined exceptions in Java are used for overload the catch block, right? Then what is wrapper class? That definition is being mentioned in this note. So I'm just showing you the trick how to write those nodes in your own language, in your own handwriting. String tokenizer, equal, and compare to difference in these two. Then chaining of calls. What is package? Package is collection of class, right? So these are the classes that could be part of the package. Then what is scanner? What is buffer reader? What is abstract class? What is scope? What is visibility? Scope means if a variable is accessible or not, so that scope will be defined. Then here I have given the example of inheritance. So type are your single, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. So like this, all these details of object oriented programming, Java programming, and finally we have difference in bubble sort and selection sort, linear searching and binary searching. So like this, there are multiple pages I have created. You can also create your nodes using such big charts, so that it becomes easier for anyone to revise it, and it will help by near the exam. When you are near the exam, it will really help in faster revision.